Hi friends. Positive thinking isn't just a tagline. It changes the way we behave. And I firmly believe that when I am positive, it not only makes me better, but also the people around me. A positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. Let us listen to the lyrics of positiveness.
When I walk through deep waters, I know that you will be with me. When I'm standing in the fire, I will not be gone. Through the valley of the shadow, I will not fear. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me. I am not alone. I am not alone. You will go before me. You will never leave me.
Focus on your strength, not your weakness. Focus on your character, not your reputation. Focus on your blessings, not your misfortunes.
More smiling, less worrying. More compassion, less judgment. More blessed, less stressed. More love, less hate.
The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you can attract greater things into your life.
We will start to witness all sorts of amazing opportunities come our way. Here is how to channel positive energies from the inside out.
Avoid watching television. Try to read good books. Be positive.
Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. The scientific studies and researchers have also proved that meditation has the power of healing, and it is the secret to remain healthy and maintain a peaceful life. Be positive.
Say goodbye to mobile games and let's play outside. Be positive.
Your posture is an excellent non-verbal indication to show how you feel about yourself. Stand or sit straight, unfold your arms and open up your shoulders to show that you are approachable. Be positive.
And humor, reminding ourselves to express gratitude for the good things we have in our life make us feel more appreciative. Be positive.
Stop overthinking. Spend time with your grandparents. When you are generous to those around you, you will bring a nice shift in the atmosphere and the energy that you attract. Be positive.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
perspective. Thank you, dear Father Sibi, teachers, parents, and my dear friends for this great opportunity. Thank you all.